Hello, good morning. Perform another web scraping of a test site. First, I want to extract all the links in the website that is useful to me. Let's run it. Okay, I got all the links, but unfortunately, I discovered that some of the links are repeated. One way I can narrow down my scope for the extract, but suddenly I remember a trick in Python. I can just do like this. Okay, then I run it again. Now, all the links are unique again. Now they're unique. No more repetition, repeating the links. So this is a very important, very useful trick. It's using a set and then a list. To illustrate, suppose that we have a list that 1, 2, 3, 3, for example, and to convert it to set, become 1, 2, 3 again. Then you can convert back to a list, and now all the elements are unique. Okay, so there's a very useful trick that we can remember, and it can save a lot of time in further programming to narrow down the extracted list. Okay, that is very simple video today, just to illustrate a simple skill in Python. But yeah, but if you forget about it, then we spend a lot of time in some unnecessary coding. By the way, yeah, we can see in Emacs that can show the bracket highlighting the closing bracket, so that's very useful. And also I've written some code here, print. Then I can have a closing bracket here, list. Okay. Then we don't have the danger of missing a bracket. How I do it? Okay, let me show you the bracket. Example. Okay. Control. No. Bit bracket. Yeah, here. That is all my key binding for the ending bracket, ending so on, my code string. Yeah, that's how I do it. So if it detects it is a bracket, then I can make a closing bracket. Okay, so that's very handy and very useful. So print my name is so and so. So I don't no need to worry about the ending bracket to the ending quotation mark. Okay, thank you for listening to my sharing experience today, and hopeful to talk to you again later. Okay, thank you.